So this is what we've got. I have no idea how I'm going to fix this. So now we consult the user manual, ever so helpful, and unfortunately it's not what we've seen before, which is this little beauty, which we fixed last time by doing these things. So if you have this problem, check that out. We're on rinses flashing. Checking that soap pre-wash or rinses indicator lights flashing, and there is a fault. That's really helpful. Start the program again. Let's see what happens. Okay. So cleverly, I didn't video what I did, but basically, I turned this to finish. Turned it off. Oops. Turned it back on again. And then it let me open the door. Hooray! Happy days!